My carnivore diet for 2 weeks because I was on vacation and I was doing more of a keto diet, and this is what happened. Number one, I see much more inflammation in my body, not only in my face being made puffy and my nose being big, but also my body. I see inflammation everywhere on my body. Number two, which is actually even worse, is the fact that my sleep quality is much worse. When I was on a carnivore diet, I would sleep 8 hours straight without waking up in the middle of the night. And what's happening right now, I am waking up every like 2-3 hours. I cannot fall asleep. I have difficulty falling asleep. This changed the game entirely. Number three is that I get bloated all the time. I don't eat like very much carbohydrates. I only eat veggies, but of course we know that veggies have carbohydrates in them, but also fruit. I started eating a little bit of fruit and it turns into sugar. So obviously that's influencing my inflammation in my body. And number four, I think, is that my digestion is very unpredictable. On a carnivore diet, I was struggling in the beginning, but then you get in the groove of things and it's very predictable. You go to the bathroom every single day, no problems. And being on a keto diet actually is so unpredictable. One day I can go 5 times and then be constipated for 2 days. This is ridiculous. So I'm going back to my carnivore diet because the quality of life, quitting my carnivore diet, is much worse than being on a carnivore diet. I know it's tough to be on a carnivore diet sometimes because of all these restrictions, especially if you're going out, but I'm telling you it's worth it. I'll show you what I eat on a carnivore diet for breakfast. Actually, it's brunch because it's noon already, but I have some errands to do in the morning. We're taking pictures of our new listing, but I will show you what I eat. So what I'm eating on the carnivore diet is for brunch is actually, I know it doesn't look good, forgive me, I'm very hungry, but I'm going to have 5 chicken sausages, a very clean, good brand from Whole Foods, only natural ingredients, no artificial stuff in it, and 3 whole eggs, also from Whole Foods. And this breakfast is going to keep me full for so many hours, and I'm not going to be bloated. I'm not going to be to get inflammation from it, and above all, it's just delicious. And I forgot to mention that everything is cooked in a great quality butter. Look at this stuff. Beautiful.